Breaking traditions, creating the future. Our self-developed, fully automatic egg carton hot press redefines industry standards with high efficiency, precision, and intelligence.
Modular design adapts to various tray sizes. Servo-driven mechanisms and intelligent controls ensure flawless performance.
Precisely controls cycles and the Semblac encoder in 12 seconds at plane. Pressure accuracy and the 1%. Rigorous testing guarantees 0 defects. Output exceeds industry norms, managed by just 2 to 3 operators. Fully automated collaboration from pressing to stacking. Every step is self-driven by the machine. Precise pressing for perfect shape, efficient stacking for neat results. Powered by university R&D, we hold core patents for hot press technology, custom solutions tailored to your needs. Say goodbye to manual labor, embrace smart manufacturing. Contact us now to pioneer the future of pulp molding.